Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. Now for this we will need a cable. You need to have it plugged into your computer, and outside of just needing to be plugged into the computer, it serves absolutely no purpose because, you know, Samsung wanted to be annoying. So that's the only reason why we have it. We need to boot into recovery mode, and that's the way we do it. Without a cable, it won't work, unlike every other device. Anyway, once you have it plugged in, you want to now turn off your device. So pull down your toggles, click on the power button and choose power off twice. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up. So right now, once the screen goes fully black, just start holding power button, volume up. And in a moment, you will see Samsung logo, at which point you want to wait for the Galaxy and then let go of the power button. There we go. Once you let go of the power button, you still want to hold volume up till this menu shows up. And now we can unplug the cable. As like I said, it was just to annoy us and it serves no purpose whatsoever. That's also the reason why we didn't grant any access to connect with the computer, because like I said, it serves no purpose whatsoever. Now, here you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, as the touchscreen doesn't work in this menu. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and then confirm it using your power button. Before I do so, I'm gonna flip it just so we can see the bottom of the screen right here. Just confirming it with the cache wipe cache partition. You can see that it's formatting cache or wiping cache. And in a second, let's give it a moment. Come on. Oh, right. We still need to select yes. I'm waiting for the confirmation that it's finished while I didn't even confirm myself. So yeah, select yes the same way, confirm that, and as you can see, it goes pretty quickly. At the bottom we have formatting cache, cache wipe complete, and cache wipe complete twice. Okay. Now with that in mind, once it's finished, reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again to initiate the reboot, and this will now bring us back to Android. And we're now back in Android. There we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.